Alrighty. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's jacobcrypobury here. Today we're going to talk about Ankr. And we've really seen some great bullish activity in the whole market. Bitcoin is doing tremendous. And look at everything here, just flashing green. Fantastic, guys, fantastic. So Ankr we're going to check out today. It's been a while since we looked at this. I did some trade analysis for this one a while ago and I never catched up with the chart. And the chart I had there did exactly what I thought it was going to do. So stick around to the end of the video if you want to hear some nice, exciting news about what's happening in the industry and also what can happen with Ankr. So why have we seen this huge, pump with Bitcoin? Well, if you did some research or maybe you read about it somewhere, but Terra Luna is actually buying a lot of Bitcoin at the moment, and we can see Bitcoin breaks key resistance, crosses USD 47k as Terra buys more Bitcoin. Liquidation soar. Bitcoin broke through a resistance level and reached a price well above USD 47k. This is the highest price Bitcoin has been in 2022 and it's leading into April. And a fun fact, 70% of Aprils are bullish, and that's just something that we do know. 70% of Marches are bearish and 70% of Aprils are bullish, so that's a good strong percentage to be relying on. And I'm feeling great. I'm feeling really bullish about this. So let's have a look what's going on with Ankr. Ankr has pumped quite nicely over the last few days. By the way, check out the Discord channel if you're new here. Make sure you come say hi to all of us. It's nearly 200 people in here at the moment, so it'll be great to see you guys there. So $0.088 we're trading at, rank 133. We're only a 725 mil market cap right now. So Ankr is all of a sudden boring. No one's talking about it. And if you look a year ago, we can see Ankr was one of our big dogs. It had a 1.4 billion market cap. If we even go in max as well. If we look back in 2021, first alt season, look what happened. We had this huge impulse. We found support. We found this kind of market cycle bottom where we keep sort of bouncing around that 400 to 500 million market cap level. This is also one that's really all over the place. I mean, you can pick this up in a Toro. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to load up on Ankr if it's one that you do like. And here is the chart. So this is the ascending channel that we were looking at, and it was potentially going to be a double bottom reversal pattern. And I think what's amazing is we've finally targeted this resistance at $0.09, which is what we were talking about in a previous video. So this creates a real nice double bottom, and it's a very strong neckline. And if we were to break through the neckline, I mean, where are the next particular resistance levels? That's what we want to look at. So you can see the high here, we had the retracement, an impulse, and retracement again. And it's funny how these highs were so similar. And you can see, we're coming up to the next level of resistance. And I think using the fib extension, that this is a very pragmatic area to look at. And also this here. So we've got the 0.23, the 0.382, and these are vital levels of resistance. That's exactly what the Fibonacci retracements and extensions are for. So if we do break through on this daily time frame, we're pretty overextended on the 20-day moving average. We don't have any bearish divergence. We've had this massive bump. I can see Ankr coming to around $0.095. So guys, if you're looking to potentially trade on this position, we're back in that bull market support band as well. Looks really good. If we get a breakout to the upside here, if we see continuation, do expect to take profits around 0.095, meaning there is a long position of around 7% in the works. We could get rejected, maybe come back down to the previous support level around here if we were to get rejected here and maybe trade in this particular range. So the two things I think could happen is we get rejected, we sort of trade here and then retest, or we just immediately pretty much break through and retest and then go through this resistance here. So sort of two paths I think could potentially happen here for Ankr. Nonetheless, very bullish, very good to see this particular impulse. And if we can put through a high, even go to 0.096, that's going to be a higher high. And that's when we can start drawing in these new channels for a particular uptrend. As you can see, here is the low. We take that through, and really we'll be actually trading in this kind of symmetrical triangle, as you see. Because we can still get rejected at 0.095. We can still find support at 0.083. We would have put through a higher high, a higher low, and that could be a very bullish reversal pattern. So again, zooming out, we can speculate this can happen. And it probably is more likely, something like that, where we produce that new high, but then we come down, retest the support, and then we come back up. So that's what I think could potentially happen here with Ankr. Really, really great project. These are our supports to look out for. Of course, if we come back down to 0.082, potentially a dollar cost averaging level right there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Just want to say massive thanks to all the patrons as well. Hop into the Discord channel whilst you're still around, whilst it's still free. And yeah, massive thanks. You guys are awesome. If you want to become a patron, price of a coffee. I'm sure you can live without one of those. You're going to get a free ebook, one-on-one messaging, trading signals, as well as access to giveaways with more chance to win. And yeah, guys, make sure you stay crypto safe. Look at the VPN down below. Special offer to protect your crypto. No VPN, then technically any cyber thief can take it off of you if you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Anyways, I hope you're all doing great. Thanks for checking this video out. See you soon.